Plumbers videos, dangerous boilers, how to unblock a radiator, and why we do this channel. My name's Alan Hart, and in today's video we've got some videos sent in by you guys. We've got a video at the end from Abdul, which is absolutely shocking, a really dangerous install. Please, if you want to send me your videos in, I couldn't do this channel without you guys and girls. If you send me your videos in, if you send them in on landscape, and I'll upload them to the channel. We've also got some tips and tricks from Elliot, unblocking a radiator, unblocking some pipe work. Also, just like to thank all the people that clicked on the join button. I did a little competition on there, so this is just a little bit extra from me really. And Hinley Heating, he won the competition, so this filter will be sent out to you today. Without further ado, let's get on to these videos.
Just a quick one. This radiator here is on some really roughly ropey 10mm pipe. That's an open end under a bar, 1.7 bar. So I'll put them on the return. And I'm going to use my wet vac. Charles, he's smiling. See if we can clear it. This may not work, but we'll give it a go. So, Charles, he didn't clear it. We're going to try my newest toy. Got this from Power Tool Mate. They delivered it super quick time. So we're going to give this a hit. In fact, if we just go like that, we'll see what happens. And watch this space. Yeah, I need to do a bit of clearing up. But look, there we go. Look at the colour of that. Blockage cleared. Finally. Woo! This is just a quick video to say why Alan does these videos. I'm just stood here, I've just serviced a boiler, I'm stood here and I don't think I can get it to focus, but that flue, looks like a glow or valent flue to me, and it's sticking way out from the wall. They allow that, but what's the point? It's just rough. The standards are dropped. The flue here, termination too low, two 90-degree bends, Lord knows what's going on the bottom there. Again, the standards are just low. Next door to where I'm working, look how close that is, a little bit of white on shown, close it is to the soffits. It's actually slightly higher than the soffit board is there. If I turn around, can I see anything? I can't, but if you just have a look at the top of there, if there's a gas fire in there, I don't think you can see it, but there's chicken wire just laid straight across the top of the chimney pots. Now if there's a gas fire in there, there's a damn good chance it's just going to block up. The point is that wherever you go, the workmanship seems to be slipping, and it has been for years. So this is why Alan's doing the channel, just trying to make people aware and try and bring the standards up. Simple, really. Just a quick one for the newly qualified and those that are getting qualified. When you come to do a boiler service, just have a look at everything and note everything down on your gas form. I always give a, okay, you can see just down there, can get it focused, there we go. I know everything down on forms. I always give a form at the end of a service, so I know anything that looks slightly questionable, I mark it down the form, just so that if you get that phone call that it wasn't leaking before you came, or this, that and the other, you've put it on the form, you've noted everything down, what you found, and put recommendations in place. Just to cover your ass, basically. We live in that world, unfortunately. So just cover your bum. Make sure that nothing's going to come back and bite you. Hope that helps. Atag boilers. Now this is my first time I've ever come across an Atag boiler. My first time servicing one. So I'm going to read the instructions. I don't know how to service one of these. I don't know how to put them into service mode. It's only 1 year old, or not quite 1 year old, I believe. So I've seen a couple of things on YouTube about them and their promotional videos, but they look fairly cool. Plate heat exchangers down there. Probably a little bit of a bugger to get out if you've not got a lot of clearance on the side. You wing it out, I suppose, drop the condense trap out, wing it out. Flow sensor diverter valve, condense trap, pump, PRV. And the PRV is coming down there. So the pressure relief valve is combined with the, sorry, the camera might have been out then, is combined with the condensed discharge, which is cool. Filling, integral filling loop, quite like that. Front display board. The electrics, the gas valves at the top, which is really cool. AAV on the main heat exchanger, I do like that on having that on boilers. And this one here just takes it down just to, oops, sorry, camera's rubbish, just down loosely onto the bottom of the boiler. So at least it stops it dripping on everything. Obviously it can fill up this area, but there's no electrics really that sit on the base apart from the earthing terminals. Grundfos pump, by the looks of it, if I can get the camera in there. Yeah, Grundfos pump. Fans at the top. Up there. Looks pretty much like every other fan, probably made by one of the two main companies. Spark generator in the back, so at least that's easy enough to get at. Oh, there's a little drip there, look. On that thermistor, whether that's the, oh no it's not, it's lube of some description. But there's a drip. Is it a drip? Is it lube? I'll have a look at that. Might be a very slow leak and inhibitor that's causing it. Electrodes are there. Sorry about the focus, my camera's super close. And is that a sight glass window? I can't see through my camera. I can't see a thing. But yeah, little sight glass, so whether they'll keep the sight glass or get rid of them like Worcester did, I don't know. But pressure sensor, another thermistor, looks good. These look like Tektite fittings here, don't know whether they are or their own version of. It looks like a bit like Tektite, but yeah, first time servicing one of these. And I'm going to flip the camera. Sorry Alan, you're going to hate me for doing that. But yeah, I'm going to read the instruction booklet and servicing manual, make sure it's all okay and go from there.
Thank you very much for them, Elliot. If you've got any questions, please ask them in the comments below. And if you could, please put a thumbs up on the videos. It really helps with the videos. I've just got a job now where I've just installed a new boiler at this property. But I'm going to show you a bit of the install now. And then I'm going to put a full video together. Hopefully that'll be out on Friday or Saturday. But I'm going to put a full video together with the install. So you can see that what it was like before and obviously what it's like once we've installed a new boiler and installed it correctly. But now what I'll do, I'll show you a few of these pictures and videos from this job that I've been to. And then after that we'll go over to Abdul's job that he went to. That's just shocking. But yeah, let's have a look at these. So really shocking job that Worcester, really bad. I'm going to do a full video on that Worcester. It's probably going to be the next video that I do. I'm going to start editing that today. Hopefully that'll be up, like I say, Friday or Saturday. If you've got any comments on that, if you've got any questions, please put them in comments below on here, and I'll try and answer them in the video if I see the questions in time, if that makes sense. What we've got now, we've got Abdul has sent us a video in, and this video, this is shocking. This first pipe that you see is the PRV, so it's the pressure relief valve, and obviously that pressure relief valve needs to terminate outside so that it's safe. So without further ado, let's go see Abdul's video.
it was straight. So it was straight 45. Straight on top of the flue. No adapter. Only secured by these like foil or something. God knows what it is. None of the flue joints is really screwed in. As you can see, look at it. I could take the bloody whole thing off. Okay, madness.
Absolutely shocking, that one. Please always use a gas safe registered engineer or somebody who is competent to work on gas boilers or gas appliances. When we work on a gas boiler, we need to test that with a flue gas analyzer to make sure it's safe. So none of these videos are DIY style videos. These are for new recruits into the industry and people that's been doing the job a long time, just to hopefully help them as well. Yeah, one thing I've got coming up, I've just had this delivery from Plumber. They've sent me these for free. So I've got some cutters and I've got some of these pack cutters as well. So we'll do a review on these, and then what I'll do, because they've sent me these for free, what I'm going to do, the people who's clicked on that join button below, I'll just do a raffle, just go do a competition in there again. And then please remember as well, anybody who has clicked on that join button, all the money, all the proceeds from that, every penny of the money that I get from that join button will be donated to charity. So it will be donated to Candlelighters Charity, and also I will match your donations as well, up to a total cap of £1,000. So hopefully my agenda is very clear on this. I want this channel to help you guys. I want it to help me. You know, I want to build a channel for me, but I also want it to be a long-lasting legacy for the charity as well. So the Candlelighters Charity is something that's close to my heart, and that's what I want to try and... My idea is that if I get 300 people that's clicked on that join button, we're getting like 10 grand a year going to charity, and for me that'd be absolutely amazing. I think that we could do a lot better than that as well, but for now my target's 300. We'll see. I mean, we've got about 40 people so far that's clicked on that join button and joined. And as I say, it's £2.99 per month if you click on that join button. But there will be special treats now and again. So for instance, if I get out for free like that, then I'm going to try and give it away to you guys. I've got some really exciting things as well coming. Hopefully I've got a power flush machine to give away soon as well. But no promises with that. But hopefully I will have. And all these, anything that I get for free, I'm going to try and give to the people who's donating per month, because I want, as I say, I want to build this to be where we're giving something back. It's a good thing, and also helping everybody at the same time. So anyway, I'm babbling on. I'm babbling on again. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you can, send me your videos in landscape if possible. It really helps with the editing. It's better if it's in landscape. Yeah, and I'll put my WhatsApp details below. Thanks very much.